Hi, Top Health Tips here again. Did you know that millions of people suffer from nerve damage without even knowing it? Nerve damage can severely impact your quality of life. It's when your nerves, those crucial pathways that transmit signals throughout your body, are damaged. The good news is that there are things you can do to help repair nerve damage and improve your symptoms. And today, we're going to share with you 5 powerful vitamins that can make a world of difference. You won't believe number 3, so keep watching. Vitamin B12 is like the superstar of the vitamin world when it comes to nerve health. It plays a critical role in maintaining the myelin sheath, the protective coating around your nerves. Without enough B12, that insulation breaks down, leading to nerve damage and symptoms like tingling and numbness. B12 can help repair that damage and improve nerve function. It's found naturally in foods like meat, poultry, fish, and dairy products. If you're not getting enough through your diet, a B12 supplement can be incredibly beneficial. Stay tuned to find out the next crucial vitamin for nerve health. You might be thinking, wait, isn't vitamin D for strong bones? But it also plays a vital role in nerve health and repair. Recent studies show a strong connection between vitamin D deficiency and nerve problems. Vitamin D helps protect nerves from damage and promotes nerve regeneration. Boost your vitamin D levels by soaking up some sunshine or through fatty fish, eggs, and fortified foods. A good quality vitamin D supplement can be a game changer. The next vitamin on our list is very important, so keep watching to find out. Now let's talk about vitamin E, the antioxidant powerhouse that protects your nerves from damage. Our bodies are constantly bombarded with harmful molecules called free radicals, which can wreak havoc on our cells, including our nerves. Vitamin E acts like a shield, neutralizing these free radicals and preventing them from causing damage. This protective effect is especially important for people with nerve damage, as it can help slow down the progression of the condition and even improve symptoms. You can find vitamin E in foods like nuts, seeds, and leafy green vegetables. For optimal nerve health, consider a vitamin E supplement, but we're not done yet. Next up is another B vitamin essential for nerve health, vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. This vitamin plays a crucial role in converting glucose into energy, which is essential for the proper functioning of your nervous system. When your nerves don't have enough energy, they can't communicate effectively, leading to issues like pain, numbness, and weakness. You can find vitamin B1 in foods like whole grains, beans, and lean meats. If you're concerned about your B1 intake, talk to your doctor about whether a supplement is right for you. This vitamin is crucial for nerve repair, and it may surprise you just how much of a difference it can make. And now for the final vitamin on our list, Alpha-Lipoic Acid, or ALA for short. ALA is a powerful antioxidant that's both water and fat soluble, which means it can work its magic throughout your entire body, including your nerves. It's like the ultimate protector, shielding your nerves from damage and promoting regeneration. Studies have shown that ALA can be particularly beneficial for people with diabetic neuropathy, a type of nerve damage common in people with diabetes. You can find ALA in small amounts in foods like spinach, broccoli, and potatoes. For therapeutic doses, a supplement is usually recommended. So there you have it, 5 powerful vitamins that can make a real difference in repairing nerve damage and improving your overall nerve health. What are your experiences with nerve health and these vitamins? Share your thoughts and any questions you have in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. Stay healthy, everyone.